On a walk with Bambi. Yep. It's gonna be so awesome. We're gonna see the wonders of nature. It's gonna be so awesome. Look at all the wonders. Look at all those brick things. I think those are the schools.
There he is, Bigfoot.
No Bigfoot. Wait, is that a giant flood? No, but it's just a classic tree. Yeah. Same, or maybe it was just some fallen tree.
This is good. We'll work off all that food we take.
Yeah. This is really peaceful. I wonder where squirrel. Squirrel. Birds, a bird. It's the wonders of nature.
At least you have to worry about cars. This is kind of good.
Yeah, because that thing over there.
No, it's not a car. It's not a car.
It's 3 babies.
I think it's a car. Parker, scoot over so she can stand in the road.
Whoa. What's he doing?
Are you okay? Oh, baby, it's okay. She's scared.
She's scared. Oh no, she's about to break free. It's okay.
She's scared. No,
Because-
it's okay. It's funny. Okay, you're good.
She got
Are you
scared.
okay? She slammed right into you, didn't she?
My belly.
Yeah, she's
On
strong.
your belly.
Well,
Okay.
Bambi, did you have a nightmare?
She did not like that stroller coming at her.
Nope.
we're not gonna go.
The good thing we got her after he got off the stroller thing.
That's a chicken. I think Grandma's such a scaredy cat she is.
Yeah, she's a chicken. Ah, it's so cold out here.
Chicken run. Dad, you know if they chicken run like this? Quack, quack.
Yeah.
Quack, quack.
Hey.
We don't walk fast enough for her. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
She's not even running.
I hear voices out there.
Well, we're near the zoo in the park.
I heard a bird just squawk. Where's she?
Oh, I heard it again. It's a squirrel. That's a squirrel making that noise.
Huh. That was what does the squirrel say? It says something like that. Hey, there's a trash can over there. Wait. Trash can. Hello.
How tight this thing all. When we get up here to the split, we're going to turn around,
Boom.
okay? Oh, watch out, guys. There's one behind us.
Oh, hi. Good morning, everybody. This was Push Richards going through the wonders of nature. Peace out. Goodbye.